Okay, so you want to take your steak game to a whole nother level? Well, here's how you do it. First of all, buy a good steak. Pat it dry, hit it with some olive oil and some SPO double G. That's some salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and ground ginger. Then I might hit it with a couple tablespoons of soy sauce and let it marinate for an hour or so. For every 1 pound of steak, I use 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of everything else. And when you're cooking it, start with the fat side down so you can get that, that beef fat in there. I cooked this steak for about 10 minutes. 5 minutes on one side, 3 minutes on the other, added some butter, some aromatics, and then I just kept flipping it instead of basting it. Take some butter and add it to another skillet. When you're resting your steak, don't forget the garlic butter. Now we got our other skillet out. We're just gonna put some shallots. Obviously, these are red onions. I cooked them down, add about a cup of red wine, cook that all the way down, added some aromatics in between. And then I make sure that when it's cooked, I add some chicken demi-glaze. You can use chicken stock, beef stock, salt to taste, cook it down, take it off the heat, add some butter in, and then serve it on your steak. Trust me, you will enjoy this.